This video, I'm going to be showing you how to sync Zoom and your Outlook calendar. It's really easy to do. As you can see, I am in the Microsoft Outlook app right here. And all you need to do is first to go to your calendar option. And let me just say I'm creating an event. Just click and drag like I normally do. And you want to click on more options right here. Now, when you click on more options, from here you just want to click on the three dots in the very top right hand corner. And you just want to click on the Get Add-ins option. Now, once you click on the Get Add-ins option, it's actually going to take you to a separate tab like so. From here, we just want to search for Zoom. Now, as you can see, there's a couple results here and it's already popped up. But you just want to search for Zoom here if it did not already pop up. And just click on the Zoom you want to download. I'm going to choose the Zoom for Outlook extension. You want to put in your email right here and click on Sign In, and this will basically sync both your Outlook calendar and your Zoom app. Now you can easily add Zoom calls. It will default sync, and it's easy to do as that. And you can just do any more extensions if you need any different calendar or Zoom extensions.